This challenge is called Roboto Sans. It's a medium-level challenge from the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, the flag is somewhere on this web application, not necessarily on the website. Find it. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So in this case, we need to start up the challenge instance by clicking on this blue Launch Instance button. So we're going to click on that. And then after a few moments, the description will change and we'll see this red Restart Instance button. So now it says, check this out. And this in the sentence is a link. So what we need to do is we need to right click on this and put this in the new tab. And then we can access the website from the new tab. So the new tab over here is some sort of fitness website. And we could probably look at the page source by using the Control-U keyboard shortcut. It has a bunch of links that go to different pages, but we don't need to necessarily look at these because the big clue about what the nature of the challenge is in its name. So it says Roboto Sans. So this could be a reference to robots.txt. And robots.txt is a file that can be put on a website to direct search engine robots as to where it can go on the website. So back over on the page, we can go over to the URL address bar and add a slash to the end, and then insert robots.txt. Okay, so when we press enter, we'll navigate to this page. And on the page, it says user agent star, and that means that any device can be used to catalog the website. And then it says disallow/CGI-bin. Okay, so this directory is not allowed on the website. So this is also kind of a red herring. This is not where we want to go. There's also a message that says, think you have seen the flag or want to keep looking. So there's another, at the bottom, there's another disallowed directory over here, WP admin. But in between over here, there is what appears to be base64 code. So what we need to do with this code is we need to decode it. So we can grab the individual lines like this. So highlight it and then select copy. And then over on the web shell, we can give the following command. We can do echo and then paste in the string. So we're going to put the string between quotes because there seems to be some sort of, there's some unusual symbols here. And then we can pipe that into base64 decode because we suspect that this might be base64 encoded strings. So we're going to run that command. And then it says flag1.txt, okay? So this was base64 in encoded strings. So what we're going to do is we're going to decode the next string. So on the website, the next string is this right here. Copy that. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to echo this string right here. And we're going to pipe that into base64 decode -d. And then it says js/myfile.txt over here. So this is indicative of a file on the website in a certain directory. So JS is the directory, and myfile.txt is the name of the file. So what we can do is we can copy this, and then over at the website, we can modify the address bar and delete robots.txt, and then paste in js/myfile.txt. And after we hit enter, that's going to navigate to this page. And on this page, myfile.txt, there's the flag, picoCTF, and this, who doesn't like robots? So we can copy the flag, and then on the flag, and then on the challenge description page at the bottom, we can click on the field and paste in the flag and click on Submit Flag, and then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.